Alright guys, we carry on with our Cyberfly. Should be. So I take to confirm. Chief. I'll fix it here. Grab a line, Shift A, and go. Just as this one goes. Not sure why it's not cutting, but we're gonna try to do like this. Now, C. Like this. Yeah, it's working now. 2 to select curve. X to delete. Shift A. Same like this. Same like this. And C. Select this, right click to confirm. 4. X to delete. X to delete. 2. X to delete. X to delete. God damn it. What's wrong with you, man? 3. Select this. Drag in it. 3. Select face. Right click to confirm. 4. Select object. G. Alright, this one here. Alt X. Somewhere. Right click to confirm. 3. Shift A. Hold Control. Now go to this. We have it parallel. Now go to this Shift. Have it parallel. Now connect. 3. C to cut. Select object. Right click to confirm. X to delete. X to delete. Yeah. For now, 4. Select object. X to delete. Shift A. Hold Control. We'll go over to this one. Shift. We'll go over to this one. Shift. Yep. C to cut. Click. Right click to confirm. X to delete. This place X to delete. 2. 3. On this surface, rotate. 2 to select edge. Right click to confirm. 3. Shift A. Shift parallel. Parallel to this one. Loop it. C to cut. Select. Right click to confirm. Select edge. X to delete. Select object. X to delete. 2 to select edges. Sharp corners. And well, sharp corners. Yep. Alt click this edge. Alt shift click this edge. Chamfer it. Right click to confirm. Then chamfer these. Alt shift click. Yep. Brilliant. Now select the chamfers. B. To confirm. Alt click these. Alt shift click these. Just around and bust it. Alt 3. G. Shift B. scale on Z is 3 GG, rotate G G G, rotate confirm, scale Windows axis, level these two to select edges, Control Alt, right click to confirm, top view. Alright, I'm gonna connect these two, Q, Q, G, G, rotate, G, 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 Shift B, G, G, rotate, G, scale, rotate, scale, scale, 3, G, G, 7, rotate, Shift O, C, yes, rotate, confirm, H delete, G, Alt, select loop, 4, 3, 2, Control Alt, click select remove 4, click on this bell, right click to confirm, 4 to select object Q, Q, right click to confirm, 2, select whole loop, Alt click, and click on this bevel here. Let's delete this for now. These and these. Q, Q, right click. That's it. 2, Alt select, Alt Shift select. Beverly. 7, Shift B. And this. Right click to confirm. 3, G. Right. Go figure. Alt Shift, scroll to triangle. Rotate. Rotate. G, G. Right click to confirm. G on X. G on X. X2. G on X. 7 right now. G on X. Something like this. Yes. Delete. Patch. Patch from both sides. Yeah. It's solid now. 3. Come on, I can't see stuff, man. Yep. Hooray. Come on. Right click to confirm. Q. Q. Single object. 2. Shift. Finally. 4. Q. Like this. That's it. 7. GG. GG. Something like this. Now let's bring this Q, these, and these. Q, these. Alt X, mirror. Merge us together. Okay. Like it a lot.